Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name is Janine and this is Janine's Tap Dance Studio. In today's video, I'm going to go over a double and triple buffalo and maxi forward. So if we remember, whenever we make something single, it's usually just a step. Whenever we make something a double, it turns it into a flap, turns that step into a flap. And whenever we make things triple, we turn that step or flap into a shuffle. So if we remember our regular buffaloes, our single buffaloes, start with your foot in front and jump, shuffle, jump. Good. So if we wanted to make this a double buffalo, you're now going to take that step and turn it into a flap. So you're going to go flap, shuffle, step. So this one's a little bit difficult in order to get that full flap. It's easier to do like a shuffle or just a step. The flap is harder because you have to jump onto that foot, and it's a little bit awkward, right? So you're going to go from here, you're going to go flap, shuffle, step. Again, flap, shuffle, step. Okay, so again, double buffalo is flap, shuffle, step. So you're changing that first step into a flap. Same thing on the left side, starting with your foot in front, flap, shuffle, step. Again, flap, shuffle, step. Okay, if we wanted to make it into now a triple buffalo, you're going to start it with a shuffle. So these look a lot like running shuffles. Running shuffles or rolling shuffles, but they're not. The rhythm is slightly different, and it's different enough that it changes it from a running shuffle. So when we do our triple buffalo, foot still comes in front. This one is the trickiest, getting that out and in of the shuffle. So you're going to shuffle first on your right foot, and then shuffle step on your left. And then again, so it's shuffle, step, shuffle, step. Okay, whereas a running shuffle is nice and continuous. They may look the same, but the triple buffalo, shuffle, step, and then there's a slight pause. And you always bring your foot back in front with your buffalo. Like I said before, if you go faster, obviously you're not going to bring it right in front, always so exaggerated. It'll just kind of come up slightly in front, not way in front. Okay, so same thing on the left side, shuffle, step, again. Good, nicely done. Okay, so those were double and triple buffaloes. So again, the double is a flap, and your triple is a shuffle. Good. So when we, it's going to be the exact same thing for the maxi forward. So a maxi forward is like a buffalo with a toe or tip. When you make it into a double, you're going to start that, instead of with a step, you're going to start it with a flap. So from here, flap, shuffle, step, toe. Again, flap, shuffle, step, toe. So the maxi forward is a little bit more awkward because you're doing that toe behind you, and in order to get that flap or that shuffle out there for the double and triple, it makes it really awkward to try to go from here to here. So that's the part to focus on, going from here to here. Yeah? So again, your double is flap, shuffle, step, toe. Same thing on the left side. From here, flap, shuffle, step, toe. Yeah? And then when you want to turn it into a triple, you're going to turn that flap now into a shuffle. So from here, you're going to go shuffle, step, toe. And again, shuffle, step, toe. Okay? I'd would say that the triple maxi forward is probably the most awkward step out of all of these, with the single, double, triple, buffaloes, and maxi forwards. Triple maxi forward is the weirdest. It's the hardest to do. So from here again, shuffle, step, toe. And same thing on the left side, shuffle, step, toe. All right, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, make sure to hit that thumbs up button. Don't forget to subscribe for new tap videos every Tuesday and Thursday. Again, thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.